So I recently changed up my thermal paste. I went to the Thermal Grizzly, did a little research. Seems a little bit better, a couple more degrees, or a couple less degrees, and it's non-conductive. So I put a little bit more of a generous amount on there, just to make sure you get a nice seal. And then you don't have to worry about dealing with conductive stuff and ruining your board. So I'll add that on there. Got everything cleaned off, reseated. So first thing, I'll get the fan clip. And you just kind of square it up as centered, and your bolt holes should line up and push through just a little bit. So that looks pretty good right there. Make sure it's squared up in the housing. Alright, so first I'm going to put these back in and try to spring clip it all back. Just going to try and make sure it's squared up and good. Cool. I might change out that one. Might not be able to. I don't think that'll fit. I think it's too small. Let's see. Oh, never mind. I liked it. Oh, cool. Alright, I'm going to lock these down for a nice even pressure right away, just so I know I have a good seal from the CPU to the heatsink. Although these are a little bit beat up, I just replaced this one. Maybe I'll replace this one as well. All these screws look a little bad. I guess we can see what temperature we get. Alright. Now I'll toss this back into place. Alright, so now we'll put in our last 5 screws. You kind of got to align it. You kind of have to align it with the base. Can be a little tricky, but once you get a couple going, it should go in pretty smooth. just lock it all down. Don't have to go crazy tight on these. Just hand tight, it's fine. Alright, there you go. Back together.